Hello and welcome to the brief tutorial on how to use your Toronto Hot Dog Vendors Association's website. The first thing that you should know about this website is that some of its pages are open to the public and others are only viewable for the members of the association. In order for you guys to be able to view those pages, you must log in to your account. You do so by typing your username, which is composed by the first letter of your first name followed by your last name. The password is the number of your membership card followed by the first letter of your last name. Once you have typed those, you just press on login and you will be directed to your own dashboard. What you will be able to see on the dashboard is a brief overview of the last few posts that have been added to your website, as well as some brief statistics on the website. On top of the page, you're going to see a couple of options to write, manage, and put comments, as well as your profile. We're actually going to start by checking the profile, where you're going to make sure that your first name and last name are spelled properly. Also that your email address is accurate, and then if you wish you can change your nickname to the name that everybody knows you by. Add your internet messaging shortcuts. You can say a little bit about yourself, but those are optional. And the last thing that is very important for you guys to do on your first visit to this website is to change your password. So you come there and you type your new password. You will have to repeat it a second time. Once you have done that, you just press update profile. Once you've done that, it should show on the top of the screen that your profile has been updated, meaning that the information has been updated on the server. Now, for you guys to understand the write, manage and comment pages would actually bring you to the website itself to get a brief demonstration. So, as we said, those are the three pages that are only available to the members of the association, and you can click on, for example, the newsletter, where you can read the latest news. Okay, and you have to know that on the newsletter you cannot write anything. This is only the administrator who's able to add this text to these portions of the website. Same thing for the meeting summaries. Now we come to the discussion page, where you can actually add your own comments. And let's start by the letter to all the counselors. And let's say that you are reading this letter and you find that something is missing, or you actually really like it. You have the option to give your opinion here, to put a comment. And let's suppose that Mrs. Moroni has done a perfect job and that you would like to congratulate her. And you say, it is a great job. And once you have typed your text, you just press submit, and it's gonna leave your comment at the bottom of this page. Okay, so that's back the letter, and here is your comment at the bottom of the page. You have to notice that you have only 15 minutes to make any changes to this comment. After that, it's locked. Okay, if you made a mistake, you just press on it. It's gonna bring you your text, and you can just make the changes that you wish. Again, as we said, you only have 15 minutes to do so. Okay, and you save it, and you see that it has been updated on the page. Now let's suppose that you have a subject that you would like to give to all the members to discuss. Let's say that there was an agent from the city that came and visited you and made some comments about how your hot dog stand is being managed, and you would like to discuss it with the others to see if you would like to take an action. So you click on the right page, and that's gonna bring you to a page where you can start typing your subject. So first of all, the title, for our purposes right now, is just a test, right? So this is the title of our page, and the content. Yes, the counselor came, blah blah blah. Lots of things happen. Testing again, blah blah blah. So this is briefly for you to write whatever you wish to write about. Here you can summarize what you just said above in 3 to 5 words usually. Okay, so for our purpose this is just a plain text, and you save it. Once you have saved it, this will be on the discussion page, and again you see that it has been accepted by the server. Okay, so you go back to the website, and we're gonna go and view this page that that you just added, this subject. Okay, now it is private again, only people who log in are able to view it. And so yes, this is the title, and this is the content within it. And here the members, yourself or anybody else, can leave your comment, and they can say whatever they wish. This is where you guys can discuss. Again, you submit it. Again, you have only 15 minutes to make any changes if you wish to. If you do not wish to make any changes, just leave it like that. And you can come to your site administration and view all the text that you just added. You see here, as well as here. And you can actually manage whether it is a subject that you have brought up yourself. Okay, you can edit it or delete it, or if it's just a comment that you made on other on your own subject or other people's subject, you can come and edit it after you have up to 15 minutes again. Okay. And every time that you log in, you also have to log out. So you just come here and you click on sign out. For further details, please ask your memberships management, or you can contact us as alliancewww.com. Thank you.